Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you have lost your photos on your Samsung phone, don't panic. Here's how to bring them back step by step. First is to check your recycle bin. Open your gallery. Now tap the three lines menu icon at the bottom right and go to recycle bin. If photos were recently deleted, you can restore them here within 30 days. Second fix is to check your Google Photos. For that, open Google Photos. Now go to collections. Now tap on bin. You can restore your photos synced earlier. Third fix is to check hidden albums. Sometimes your photos can be hidden in your gallery. For that, again, open your gallery application. Tap on the three dots menu icon at the top right. And from here, make sure Show Hidden Albums is turned on. Sometimes photos are hidden, not deleted. Another fix can be to check File Manager. For that, open My Files app. Now go to Internal Storage. Then tap on DCIM or Pictures. Your images might be there even if Gallery does not show them. Also, try restarting your phone or go to Settings. Scroll down and find this option called Apps and tap on it. Use the search icon at the top right and go to Gallery. Scroll down and find this option called Storage and tap Clear Cache. This refreshes the gallery database. If nothing else works, try your photo recovery app like Disk Digger or Doctor.phone. Just make sure you act fast before the files are overwritten. And that's how you recover your missing photos on Samsung. Like this video if it helped and subscribe for more Samsung fixes and phone tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.